You guys, I'm Konisha. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button below and hit that notification bell to be notified the next time I upload a video. So today I wanted to come and talk about home renovations. So I am buying a family house. It was built in 1965. It's very old, but it has great bones, and I wanted to make this more comfortable for me because I'm already living here. I wanted to do like a kitchen renovation and possibly a bathroom renovation, but first we're going to get into the kitchen renovation. So I am a Pinterest junkie, and I was looking at like tons and tons of photos of kitchens, and you know, to kind of get a grasp of what I like. I will tag them here in the video for you to see like two of the choices that I was looking at that I was so in love with. So when I seen the picture with the gray cabinets, I was always a big fan of white kitchen cabinets, but the gray really pulled my eye and caught my attention. So I ordered, I was Googling samples and stuff online, and I seen a company called Click Studios. So I ordered samples from them, and this is how it came. It has their number on it, and this is the packaging, and then you slide it open, and it has like more pictures of cabinet styles and the different names of the styles. And these are the two samples I got. So when I ordered, I thought this color was going to be my favorite color, but seeing them together now, I think this gray right here, I think I like this a little bit better. This one gives off more of a bluish gray tone, kind of like a green hue to it too. And this one gives off more cool colors. Now, as far as styles, this one is the Lindell style. I do like this style of cabinet with the grooves in it. And this one is the Dayton style, and it's like just a classic clean cut look. So when I looked at the total kitchen style, the clean cut look did look very nice. Depending on what elements I put in the kitchen, if I wanted to keep everything else more simplistic, I'll probably go with this style. But if I want to add a lot of different things in there that's going to make the kitchen pop, I'll go with the smoother cabinets. So I was just wanting to come in and show you guys the two samples, and I'm going today to Home Depot to get samples of flooring to see which flooring, which color actually looks better with the flooring. I want my floors like a dark espresso color. There'll be the original hardwood floors that goes into the kitchen and the living area, and I wanted to see if I can go somewhere and get a sample of the countertop too. So I just want to come and tell you guys like the process I'm going through. I'm gonna come and put a clip in of showing the kitchen how it looks now and everything that I want to change. So stick with it. Hold on. Hey you guys, so this is my living room. This wall right here is bordered into the kitchen, and it has these pocket doors. I want to get rid of that whole wall, and then the cabinets come down, and I want the cabinets to come all the way up to the border at the top. So it's the old style oven, just the cooktop and the dishwasher. And of course I got dishes in the sink, so I'm not even gonna scroll to that part. But this is what it looks like. It has a ceiling fan. I talked with one contractor so far, and he wants to get rid of the ceiling fan, push the refrigerator all the way over to that corner to leave me more counter space, and the island will be like right in here. So this is just a quick look, you guys, of how dated and old these cabinets are, and how small the kitchen looks with this wall bordering it in. So I want the open concept to be able to look out into the living room and the dining room. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I went to Home Depot and picked up a lot of samples. So I picked up samples of flooring. And the flooring samples for the hardwood was free. I didn't pick it up to buy the actual hardwood. I picked it up to look at the stain colors. So I picked up all of these. Now this one, this looks like the color I'm gonna end up wanting to use for my island. So that's why I picked up that one. But we're gonna choose between these three as far as stains, because I like the really dark wood floors. So I'm just trying to imagine the cabinets with the floors. So what I'm gonna do is set the cabinets up on my vanity, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. So I got the floors, and for the countertop ideas, I got these two samples. So this one is like this. They didn't have the exact sample of the exact one I want, but it was similar to this. It just didn't have as many gray lines. And then I love this one because it has sparkles in it, like little pieces of mirror that reflects off in it. So this was quartz. They didn't have any white granite that I like, so I went with that one. And then the two different backsplash ideas was the subway tile and this one, which is the gray. So I'm gonna set both of these up the best way I can think of to try to get an idea for how these will look. So I did have to purchase this hardware. I just wanted to see which hardware stain I would like, and I was like, I think I would like silver better. It was either silver or black, but I don't know. I didn't want to start putting black tones in there. So either I'll do the silver, or once I decide on the stain for the floor. But this is the color I did, and so I'm gonna put that right there too. So I'm gonna, and I did 3 samples of paint. So this one is white, this one is frost, which has a more cooler white, and then this one is the ultra pure white. So this one is like the purest white you can get. This one has a little mix in it, and this one is the cooler tone. I am going for this so far, so I'm gonna just set that one up and the ultra pure white to see which one I like. Hold on one second, let me turn this light on. Okay. So I'm gonna try to show you guys my setup of how I'm gonna do these samples. Okay, so right here I set up everything. So far, the floor that is sticking out to me with the actual cabinets is more of this richer tone right here, even though I thought I wanted like the almost black color, but I kind of like the richness of that. So it'll be in between this. Well, it's hard for me to really decide because the floors will be natural hardwood, so they will have more of this type of groove in it. But I don't know, I like the stain of this one too. I really like this stain too. It looks kind of dull. If I could add like a little bit of this richness into that, it would be the perfect one for me. And far as countertops, I knew I was gonna like this one more, but I feel like, I don't know, I feel like the more white will give a more clean finish, but I do like that. So just imagine the island sitting on top of the floor, and this is the part that's scaring me because some of the cabinets will be exposed wood like this, and the actual island will be the wood color like this. So up against this flooring, I don't know. I hope that'll go, because that's really the darkness that I like. And as far as backsplash, I feel like with this countertop, this subway tile would be better. I don't know about this one. I feel like it will need a little bit of shine to go with it. But you guys, comment below and let me know what you think. I'm not going to hold you forever on this video. It's already been too long. So just comment below, sparkly countertop or just white with gray, the gray with the more blue tone or the cool gray, subway tile or whatever stone that is, and the more espresso type of flooring or ebony. All right, thank you. Bye.